Hi, I'm Gregg Burgard from the Rio Grande Jewelry Tech team. Today I'd like to talk to you about fine silver sheet. If you're on YouTube, you can check out the links in the product description below, or if you go to our website, just search for fine silver sheet. Now let's get started. Fine silver displays a whiter, brighter color than sterling silver. Unlike sterling, it's 99.9% silver with no copper. This purity means it's fusible, more tarnish resistant, and softer than sterling. These properties offer an ideal surface for vitreous enamels. Fine silver's fusibility and softness make it a great choice for creating bezels and granulation techniques. Because it's soft, fine silver is easily formed and slow to work harden, which makes it great for complex pieces and raising. If you want to fabricate with fine silver, you'll need to keep some things in mind. Because it's a pure metal, fine silver won't be as durable as an alloy like sterling silver, so it requires a full work hardening to retain its shape and give it strength. And soldering after forming will anneal the metal, making it soft again. When working with fine silver, you'll need to choose a thicker gauge than you would with sterling silver because it's softer. For example, these earrings were made in 26 gauge sterling. To make the same earrings in fine silver, I would choose 24 gauge. With a good understanding of the properties of fine silver, you'll be better equipped to make the best choices when purchasing material for your designs. I hope you found this video on fine silver sheet helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us.